Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS version and that you have admin privileges. This avoids permission errors later. Next, choose the target application or folder you want quick access to, since the shortcut points to that path. Once decided, pick where the shortcut will live: desktop, taskbar, or start menu, because each location affects launch behavior. Now create the initial shortcut using right-click or a drag method so you can refine properties in the next step. Once the basic shortcut exists, you open Properties to edit the target path and change the icon for quick recognition. This is how you tailor it to your workflow. If the app needs elevated rights, set Run as administrator or adjust compatibility settings, which prevents runtime errors. Then assign a keyboard shortcut or pin to taskbar/start for instant launch. Make sure to apply changes and test. If it won't open, double-check target path and permission settings before moving to finalization. You finish by testing the shortcut from every chosen location to confirm consistent behavior. Open the app, observe permissions, and note any error messages. If it fails, immediately verify the target path and that the shortcut has the correct file extension and permissions, because most problems stem from wrong paths or blocked access. Once you fix that, recreate the shortcut or reset the app file association if necessary. If nothing works, restart Explorer or the laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.